Distinct is used to display the unique record of values stored in a column. Let's take an example. If we want to find all the unique colors in our paint table, we use distinct keyword in the select clause. That would display a list of unique colors from the paint table. Here you might have noticed that from duplicate entries of red color, only one entry of red color is selected by distinct clause. Now from customer table, if you want to get the list of unique customer names, you need to use distinct. If you write select distinct CNAME from customer, you will get the list of unique customer names. If you see, only one entry of customer name, that is Susan, Emma and Mia, is selected after the execution of query. Now if I put count before distinct, then the number of all unique name will be written by this query. As we have three distinct names, Susan, Emma and Mia in CNAME column, therefore 3 will be written by the query. If I put two column name after distinct, then the record containing combination of CNAME and balance as unique value will only be selected by the query. As these two rows contain same name and same balance, therefore only one record is selected among the two. Now as these two rows contain same name and different balance, therefore both the records are selected. Now for the CNAME Mia, both the records have same name and same balance, therefore only one record will be selected. We have learned that when count is used with distinct and single column, we will get the number of distinct records. Now if we use count with distinct and instead of single column, if we use multiple columns, then we will get an error. So from this error we can conclude that distinct applied on multiple columns cannot be used with aggregate function.